What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and I saw on the internet you can break a lock with the wrenches. Well, I wanna try it for myself and see if it's actually possible. We're going to try a few different locks and see if this hack actually works or not. Let's find out. This is an old lock, I don't remember where I got it or what is the combination for it. I don't feel like trying it out and remembering it. So apparently with two of these wrenches you can break lock pretty easily. You want to grab wrenches, you see this side over here curved this way. So we want to hold it like that. So let's see if it actually works. So we're going to put it in and then without breaking my fingers I'm going to try to close it. Oh my god, this is so hard actually. Let me try to get a bigger wrench, so we're gonna have bigger leverage. I don't know if it actually works or not. We'll find out in a second. Oh wow. Did it work? Whoa, the whole metal actually broke, crack. Wow, check this out. It broke and it came off, and look, the actual metal part cracked. This is insane. Wow, I did not think it's actually going to work. And this is like a master lock. It's a pretty durable lock. I can't believe it actually worked. Let's try this again. So as you can see, I got here chain and a lock, but I don't have the key for this lock anymore, or I never had it. But what I need to do is take off this chain, and I don't have the key for it. So let's see if this will work once again. Oh man. So as you can see, with the chain on, it's a little bit more annoying and tedious to get it right. Okay. Alright, let's try this. I might need smaller wrenches because it doesn't go all the way. You have to go all the way for it to work. Here you go. It broke the lock, as you can see right here. So now I just need to pull it out all the way. You see this lock is broke, but it's so tight still, I cannot just unhook it. So some locks are still really good and hard to break it with this technique. You see, I cannot undo it because it would not pull off. Here you go, and boom, finally took off that lock. You see, the bigger the lock, the bigger the wrenches you have to have. Also, the longer the wrenches you have to have, seems like you have a lot more leverage. Alright, let's try this. Boom, wow, it just crumbles apart. Look at this, too easy, that's insane. Let's try to do the same thing with a big lock like this. I don't think it's going to be possible, but let's find out. This thing is whole steel inside and out. So let's see. There goes nothing. I feel like I'm just gonna break wrenches or something else in my hands. Let's see, let's do it like this. I'm putting all my weight in it. It just doesn't want to break. So this is the locks you want to trust. So this hack only works for smaller locks. If you have a big lock, it just no way. Yeah, no way. So as you can see, this hack will break easy the locker lock or bike lock. But there is no way it will break a garage lock or something big like this. If your lighter is dead, you have no more juice in it, no more butane in there, but it still sparks. How could you use it to make fire? All you're gonna need is a piece of paper, any kind of piece of paper. And you're gonna hold it like this, make sure it's not too windy, and you just kinda go slowly. And you will see that some of that, how do you call it? Some of that stone over there, forgot how you call it in Russian. I mean in English. In Russian it's called kремень. That's what we call it. Kремень inside of the lighter. But yeah, you keep doing this till you're gonna have a bunch. So now you see all that black stuff in there. So you just spark it. It wasn't enough. Let's try this again. So you see you got this powder right there. So all you're gonna do is strike it. And you see you got the fire. Check it out. You see what I'm saying? It's still burning. So you see you got all that powder. All you're gonna do is spark the lighter and see what happens. And you see you got the fire on that thing. And today I'm gonna show you how to charge your cell phone or smartphone in an emergency situation with a 9-volt battery. Sounds pretty impossible, right? But it is actually very easy. All you need is the car charger, just like that. Simple. Let's check this out. On every 9-volt battery it says plus and minus. It tells you which one is plus. So this one is plus. This is where 9-volt battery is gonna go. You're gonna hold it like that. And you see this part? You're gonna grab a piece of metal like your ordinary house key, and you see the light is on. Let go is off. So that means it's working. It's conducting. The key will work. So now I can just duct tape it together, charger, and just duct tape them together, make sure they touching. So I don't have to hold them that easy, but you can hold them as well. Let's see, plus and minus. You see light is on every time I touch it, and you see there's a key and a car charger right here. So if I touch them, light is on. So now let's test it. I'm gonna plug it into my phone. You see this is all one wire, and then attach it to here, make sure plus and minus, and you see my phone turned on automatically because I attached it to the battery. So the energy is going to the phone. So and the phone going to turn on and start charging. So you see it says charging, and there is a lightning on the battery. So but what if I let it go? You see the charging is stopped saying that it's charging. I'm gonna connect it back together, and guess what? It says it's charging again. Let it go, not charging. Connect it back together, charging. And it's like nothing but this little wire. You can probably see it from there. Let's see. Charging, not charging. You're gonna need gums, you know, with this aluminum foil thing. We're gonna get one of these, scissors, and a battery. You see I have AA battery, and higher will work pretty good. First thing we're gonna do is unwrap your gum, and you can eat it later, the gum, and we're gonna need aluminum foil, this one right here. You can use it 3 times, pretty much you can cut it in 3 pieces. Like you got 1, 2 and 3 pieces. So save these 2 for later. You know, you wanna have it in a stock because you might gonna have to make fire many times. So then you got one of these pieces. You wanna fold it in half, like this. And then grab your scissors and cut it from this side to the top. And you see how I leave it a little bit, not too little, but so it looks like that. And then you want to grab by this side and unravel it like that. This is whenever you're gonna be touching these 2 sides, it's gonna be really hot. So I recommend you to use gloves. So then you wanna grab one side and put it on one side. And then the other side and grab it with the other finger. Let's see what happens. See how it's smoking, and we got fire. And you can put it to something. You gotta be quick and set anything on fire. So all we need is a Brazilian peanut, and we're just gonna light up the corner. They are very fresh. They're not cooked or anything, so you need the fresh ones. And you just light up the end of the peanut, and guess what? they're gonna burn for a while. And they don't smell even bad. And to make them be able to place them, just cut the bottom of the peanut so you can just place them down and on any surface, and they're just gonna stand as a candle. You know what I mean? Very cool, huh? I think the oil of the peanut is just goes up to the top and burning. That's why it doesn't burn that fast and takes a while. To make it even better, you can just grab a knife and just cut the top, so you got like pointy top, so it will be easier to light it and better fire. You see how pointy it is now? And you can cut the bottom, so you can set it like that on any surface, you know. So now you just ready to light it up. Just the tip, and all the oil will go to the top, and it will burn really slowly and will produce a lot of light. Very cool, huh? And of course we're gonna have to go and check it out in the dark and see how good it is in the dark. It's actually producing quite a bit of light.